Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to create a dependency in ClickUp. So first thing you will have to do is to go right here into the space where you want to create the dependency and find the task. So let's say I want to link this task 3 to this task 1. So I will pick the task 1, press these 3 dots at the end, and then select dependencies right here. From this menu, I can click plus icon, add linked tasks, and now link the task 3 right here. Click on it. As you can see, it is right here, and that means that the dependency has been added to this task. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.